Is the allegation that has been?
No, people are very well aware क्या case है. I was told to come and give my statement regarding some statements made by an individual. I've come and done my job as a law-abiding citizen, and whenever I am allowed, whenever I am asked by the courts to come and depose and give my statement, I will do so to the best of my ability. All I want to say is that in Tripura, the people of Tripura, whether it is the Tiprasas, Bengalis, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, Buddhists, we all have to come together and take our state ahead. And I think we should do everything to ensure that our real issues are highlighted in Delhi and also across the border, and there should be peace and harmony and brotherhood in the state of Tripura amongst all people.
Sir, you said about Delhi.
Clear that I want Tripura to progress, and I want Northeast to progress, and I want Delhi to pay attention to it. My commitment is with my people, and whatever the commitment which has been assured to us should be done as soon as possible. If it is not done, then it makes it very difficult for me to stay in power without giving anything to my people. I was chosen a task by my community, and my priority has to be the welfare of my community and my state and my region, rather than a few individuals here and there. So for me, power does not mean anything. For me, real power means power given to the community and their constitutional rights.
How was the reaction of the Home Minister?
He was very pleasant, he was very cordial, and he understands our problem. He is the Home Minister of India, he understands our problems, and he has expressed that there has been delays, he has admitted to delays, and he wants to solve this problem as soon as possible. And for that, he has asked for some time, and he said this in front of everyone, including my MLAs, my CM, and my minister.
Sir, today you have tweeted about...
Misunderstand that Bangla is a very rich language, and Bangla language is even the Rashtragan is written by Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore is in Bangla. So there is no such thing as Bangladeshi language. Urdu is being used, but Bangla script is also there. So there is no such thing as Bangladeshi language. There is a Bengali language. There are different dialects. So we should not confuse and target Bengalis on the name of which language they speak. I think any language, people should not be targeted, whether it is Kokborok, Mizo, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, or Bangla, or even English. Just because we speak that language, there is no such thing as Bangladeshi script.
Such things happen.
Is trying to do that, but there are ignorant people everywhere. I don't think this is the. I think no government, whether it is Congress or BJP or Samajwadi Party or any government, targets the community on the basis of language. And there are people who are racist. There are people who are not intelligent, and these people sometimes whip up certain sentiments. I don't think we should allow them to be given such a space, and I appeal to everyone that elections will come and go, but India as a nation across languages should be united.
Last question is, sir, you say to your...
I do not want violence between Tiprasas and Tiprasas. I do not want violence between Bengalis and Tiprasas. I do not want violence between CPM and BJP. I do not want violence in Tripura. So violence should always be never an option. They should, if two brothers have a disagreement, they should talk. If two neighbors have a disagreement, they should talk. When you resort to violence, then we show that there is no humanity. I have spoken to everyone concerned, and I will never encourage violence to resort political gains.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.